MoneyGenie.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be taking a look at today. If you subscribe to my channel and watch some of my other videos, you already probably know what this is. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Also, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you a bunch of apps where you can get instant money, free cryptocurrencies, and a great place to promote products and stuff like that to get even more money for free without a website and such. But let's get right into this. So, MoneyGenie.co, the #1 social media network, which allows influencers to make money online. I've seen this before. We've seen this before. The first step to being successful with MoneyGenie is signing up for an account. Once your account is made, you'll be able to redeem your $35 bonus. Okay, $35 just for signing up. Share your link. For every click you receive, you will earn $1. For every referral, you will earn $5. Cash out with PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, etc., Bitcoin, and so on. All right, so that sounds pretty interesting. $50 million paid out so far. That's a lot. Some testimonials and such. Let's go to this payment proof page here. Well, two things to remember: the $50 million right now, and some of these payment proofs I'm going to show you. These are checks. 5/8, looks like a 5/13 or 5/18, 2019. And remember these dates: 8/23/19, and then there's one more down here. Kind of hard to say what the first number is there. Looks like a 67, but obviously that's not a month, so I don't know. That's hard. That one's hard to tell exactly what it says. But I've seen a lot of sites like this before. If you've been watching my channel, there's a lot of sites like this: Tap to Earn, Money Chaser, Influencer Cash. They're all pretty much the same thing, and they're all pretty much scams. You go to the Whois database here, and you see they were created in October 23rd, 2019. So you expect me to believe they paid out $50 million, and those checks that were dated were before this date here. So they're obviously fake. What these sites typically do is get you to sign up. I'm not going to sign in or log into this one because I already know what's inside. There's a task wall for you to complete tasks, which you could end up spending money on, and you just can refer friends, and they're going to collect all this money, saying that you're going to collect, a fictitious amount of money that they're never going to pay you, and they have all bunch of ways of getting out of that, and just stay away from it. It's not legit. Look, copyright 2013 to 2019, which is interesting too, considering the website was built in October of 2019, and today is 2020, January. So, as promised, let me show you some really cool apps here that you can get some money from right away. There'll be a link in the video description down below for all these. They're all in one convenient spot, and I'm going to also show you another free website where you can promote these apps to get even more money. So the first one up is going to be Cash App. You're going to get $5 instantly when you use my referral code. Basically, it's a really cool app. You can spend money, spend and invest cash. You can send money between friends, kind of like PayPal and such, and Venmo and other apps like that. You could buy Bitcoin, and you can get a debit card with discounts on it. I have the debit card, and I have the coffee shop gift, $1 off every coffee shop I shop at. And referrals. That's another way to make money from this. You just get $5 for every person you refer, and pretty cool. So really cool app, instant money for you. Next one is Dosh. I also have a referral code for this. This one's a little different. When you download the app, you want to link up your credit card or debit card, whatever you shop with, and whenever you shop, with that card, with the retailers and places they're affiliated with, you're gonna get cash back for basically doing nothing. Stuff like you already do, like over 1,000 brands: Uber, Walgreens, Old Navy, Gap, Wendy's, all these places that you shop at, you're just going to get cash back. And then you can refer people and get $5. I've been doing that. Sometimes it's $10. Sometimes I get 10 when I refer people. And as you can see, they have a 4.7 out of 5 on the rankings here, over 100,000 rankings on iTunes, Apple Store, whatever it's called. And these are all Android as well. And by the way, Cash App's ranking here, this is an Android app as well. In the iOS store, it's a 4.6 out of 5, very nice rankings as well. So pretty cool. Next up is going to be Rankin. Let's actually go to the app here. This is really cool. You get cash back too on this one, and you get a $10 bonus when you sign up. And when you refer people, you get $25. So when I refer you, I'm going to get $25. You're going to get 10, and you're going to get cash back on places you shop normally. This one's also on the website. You can do it through the app and the website. So pretty cool. Over 2,500 stores, all kinds of stuff, free codes and free shipping and such. Find lowest prices. There's a Google Chrome extension that I use just to use it, and then 4.4 out of 5 on the Apple Store here as well. So really, really cool. These are all great ways to get cash back and refer people and get money. So that's really cool too. And I'm going to show you a place where you could put all your referral links on one nifty little website that you don't have to pay for either. So next up is going to be Pi. This is cryptocurrency mining on your phone, either Google Play or your Android or Apple device. Use my invite code Greg1, and then because it's invite only. And let's check out the rankings on this. I've been using this for a couple of months. I've been, collecting or mining cryptocurrency. It's a 4.4 out of 5 as well. And the more people you refer, the higher your rank, higher your mining rate is. I got like 5,000 Pi at the moment. So that's very cool. The next up is going to be Robinhood, which is a stock. You're going to get a free stock if you use my link. I'm going to get a free stock as well when you use my link. And you do have a chance of getting some pretty high stocks, like Facebook. At the current time of this is $205. Obviously, stocks fluctuate, so it could be different when you're watching this. Microsoft, $157. JP Morgan Chase, and so on. So you do have a chance of getting those right off the bat if you use my link, and I have a chance of getting one of those as well. So it's a really cool app for investing. You don't really have to do anything if you just download the app and you're good to go. So you can trade, build a balanced portfolio, customized portfolio with pieces of different companies and stuff like that. Pretty cool. You don't have to invest like in just buy a one stock of a company. You could invest in multiple. You could do Bitcoin as well. It's always commission free. 4.8 out of 5 on the iOS store. Really cool. Next up is going to be delivery.com. This is in the United States only. Basically, it's delivery of food from restaurants, grocery stores, laundry, alcohol, and such like that. There's about 100 US cities that it's in right now. You get $10 instantly when you sign up with my link, and you get points too. The more money you spend, the more free stuff you'll get after accumulating so many points and such. And then you can refer people and get $10 as well. So really cool. Use my link. I'll get $10. You'll get $10 right off the bat. Really nice. This is the iOS version of it. There's a website. There's the iOS. There's the Android version. 4.8 out of 5. And next up, last but not least, that is Kit. This is where I have my link going to for all these different apps. Basically, it's a website where you can promote pretty much any affiliate link that you want. And I have all my codes in here, affiliate links, referral codes and such. And I created a kit called Cash Apps, and all the ones I just mentioned are in there. There might be more by the time you watch this. So pretty cool. All my apps that I just mentioned are right here, like I said. And you can just click on these. You can click on the links to go to my referral codes. Use my referral codes. Some of them have like this one here. You'll need to read this to get my referral code here for Dosh and such. And then just view on Dosh and you're good to go. So this is a free site to use as well. I have many kits created on mine already. Cash apps, affiliate marketing, making money online, and all kind of other stuff that I do promotions for, affiliate marketing for. So anyways, really cool. Check out these things, folks. That is all for now. Subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you soon.